Ever felt like you're walking through a maze, trying to figure out how to make money online? Welcome to the club. The internet, while a treasure trove of opportunities, can often feel like an enigma wrapped in a riddle, especially when it comes to carving out a profitable path. You see, the struggle is real. The online world is teeming with opportunities, each one promising more than the last. But with so many options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, like a kid in a candy store with only a dime to spend. And let's not even get started on the scams. They're like the wolves in sheep's clothing of the digital world, lurking behind every corner, waiting to pounce on the unsuspecting entrepreneur. Then there's the trial and error phase. You know, the part where you invest your time, your effort, and sometimes your sanity, testing out different strategies, platforms, and business models. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is the size of Mount Everest. And when you don't see the results you were hoping for, it can feel like you're banging your head against a brick wall. But amidst the confusion and frustration, there are those who find their path, who manage to navigate the labyrinth of the online world and come out on the other side, pockets lined with digital gold. And often, they're the ones who found a guide, a reliable tool that helped them cut through the noise and zero in on a profitable opportunity. So if you're tired of running around in circles, if you're ready to trade in the maze for a map, you're in the right place. We're about to delve into one such opportunity that has proven to be a reliable guide for many: Amazon Associates. Stay tuned, because we're about to lift the veil on this lucrative opportunity, and who knows, you might just find your way out of the maze and into the realm of online success. But what if there's a way to navigate this maze with a reliable guide? Let's delve into one such opportunity: Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates, ever heard of it? No? Well, it's high time you do. This, my friends, is a tool that could very well be your golden ticket to making money online. But what is it, you ask? Allow me to enlighten you. Amazon Associates is none other than the affiliate marketing program of the giant online marketplace, Amazon.com. You know, that place where you can buy virtually anything from books to boomerangs and from coffee makers to cat toys. Yes, that Amazon. But how does it work? And how can it help you earn money? Well, it's fairly straightforward. As an Amazon associate, you promote products from Amazon on your own website, blog, or any online platform where you have a presence. You provide links to Amazon products, and when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but I'm not a salesperson. Fear not, you don't need to be a sales guru to succeed with Amazon Associates. All you need is a platform where you can share product links. This could be a blog where you review products, a YouTube channel where you unbox gadgets, a website where you share cooking recipes, or even a social media account where you share your fashion or lifestyle tips. The beauty of Amazon Associates is that you don't have to sell anything. You simply share your honest opinions about products, provide a link, and let your audience make the purchasing decision. It's a win-win situation. You provide valuable content to your audience, and you get rewarded when they make a purchase. One thing to note is that the commission rates vary depending on the product category, but they generally range from 1% to 10%. Not too shabby, considering you're earning money for doing something you'd probably be doing anyway: sharing your thoughts and opinions online. Sounds intriguing? Let's dive into the step-by-step process of using Amazon Associates. Scene script. Ready to venture into the world of Amazon Associates? Step right this way. Let's dive right in, shall we? The first thing you'll need to do is create your Amazon Associates account. Now don't fret, it's not like you're signing your life away. It's a simple process, really. All you need is an Amazon account. And if you're like most people, you've probably bought one too many things from there already. So just sign in with your existing account, or, if you're a newbie, sign up for a fresh one. Once you've gotten your account all set up, it's time to explore the dashboard. Picture yourself as a digital Indiana Jones, minus the danger and with a lot more potential for profit. The dashboard is your treasure map, guiding you to the golden opportunities that await. You'll find a bunch of fascinating tools to help you navigate your affiliate marketing journey. But the one tool you'll be using most of all is the product linking tool. Think of it as your magic wand, transforming mere product mentions into money-making links. To use it, simply search for the product you want to promote, click on the Get Link button, and voila! You've got yourself an affiliate link. Now, every time someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It's like being a salesperson, but without the pressure and with the comfort of working from your own home, or even from a beach in Bali if that's your thing. So, there you have it, folks. We've dipped our toes into the vast ocean of Amazon Associates, taking the first few steps towards potentially lucrative income streams. We've created an account, explored the dashboard, and learned how to use the product linking tool. Easy as pie, right? But hold on, there's more to it. So stick around because we're just getting started. Scene script, buckle up. We're about to dive deeper into the Amazon jungle. As you navigate the heart of the Amazon Associates program, it's crucial to understand how to track your performance. Reports are the compass that will guide you through this uncharted territory. They show you the sales you've made, the clicks you've gathered, and the conversions you've scored. It's like the scoreboard of your business. And just like in any game, the higher the score, the better. So keep your eye on the ball, or in this case, the reports. They're your best friends in this adventure. Now let's talk about the treasure chest, the payment. The thrill of the hunt is exhilarating, isn't it? But let's face it, the real excitement comes when you see those digits rolling into your bank account. Amazon pays its associates in two ways, direct deposit and Amazon gift cards. If you're a fan of online shopping sprees, you can opt for the latter. But if you're more of the traditional type and prefer cold hard cash, then direct deposit it is. Just remember, you'll need to reach a minimum earning threshold before you can cash out. But hey, that's just more motivation to sell, 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 right? Now, we can't talk about Amazon Associates without mentioning the promotional tools. These are the weapons in your arsenal to conquer the online marketplace. From banners to widgets, product links to storefronts. Amazon provides you with a variety of tools to promote their products. It's like being a kid in a candy store. But instead of sweets, you're picking out marketing tools. So go ahead, pick and choose to your heart's content. Experiment with different tools to see which ones work best for your audience. And voila, you're now an Amazon associate. But wait, there's more to gain from this opportunity. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. The Amazon jungle is vast and full of untapped potential. So keep exploring, keep selling, and who knows, you might just discover a goldmine. Why choose Amazon Associates? Because it's more than just an affiliate program. It's a doorway to a vast online marketplace, a trusted brand, and a potential goldmine for those savvy enough to navigate its depths. Let's dive into the top 5 benefits of this program, shall we? First off, the sheer magnitude of Amazon's product selection is staggering. From books to electronics, fashion to food, there's a product for every niche you can think of. And for you, this means an opportunity to promote a wide range of items, increasing your chances of earning commissions. Secondly, Amazon is a name synonymous with online shopping. It's a brand that people trust, and this trust can translate into sales. When you promote Amazon's products, you're leveraging their established reputation, making it easier to convince your audience to click that Buy Now button. Thirdly, Amazon Associates is user-friendly. Even if you're a novice in the world of affiliate marketing, the platform is intuitive and easy to use. It provides tools to create links, banners, and widgets, making it a breeze to integrate into your website or blog. Next, let's talk about Amazon Associates' detailed performance reports. Knowledge is power, as they say, and these reports give you a wealth of information. They tell you what's selling, who's buying, and provide insights into consumer behavior. This data can help you tweak your strategy, focus on what works, and ultimately increase your earnings. Lastly, the potential for high earnings is real with Amazon Associates. With up to 10% in advertising fees, the more you sell, the more you earn. It's a model that rewards effort and strategy, and with the right approach, the sky is the limit. So, are you ready to take the plunge and navigate the online money-making maze with Amazon Associates? With its vast product selection, high consumer trust, user-friendly platform, detailed performance reports, and high earning potential, it's a program that offers more than just a chance to make money online. It offers a chance to build an online business that thrives. And that, folks, is your guide to making money online with Amazon Associates. A quick recap. We covered the struggle of making money online, introduced Amazon Associates, and discussed its uses, price range, and 5 benefits. It's a tool that's worth a try, for sure. Remember, fortune favors the bold and those who dare to step into the world of affiliate marketing. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Until next time, happy earning.